Hello. The Daily Beautiful News visualized by Information is Beautiful, April 16, 2020. Today's visualization is about drones have revolutionized medical deliveries in Rwanda. Getting medicine to remote parts of Africa isn't easy. Drones change everything. Flying at 100 kilometers per hour, they can cut a treacherous 4-hour road journey to just 30 minutes. Drones delivered 5,500 units of blood to Rwandan regional hospitals over a 12-month period. It led to a reduction in maternal deaths. Fewer cases of malaria-induced anaemia. Rwanda is leading the way. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.